Hello and welcome back to your DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the VLC Player on Chromecast. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So just head over to the apps on the top bar and then come down to search for apps and games. From here, you just want to type in VLC to search for it. So I've typed in VLC and I'm going to click the search button at the bottom of this keyboard and give this a second. It's going to search and it's going to find a VLC application for Android right there. So click on this to download it to your Chromecast, and now you have the install button pop up right here. In my case, you find the open button. So click on install. It's going to pend. It's going to download and install. Now this is actually what we just did is from the Google Play Store. The Google Play Store is embedded on Chromecast. So all you need to do is just search for the app, install it, and then you will click on open to launch the application. As easy as that. So this is the VLC app. You could begin to use it, add a stream link, use your videos, your audios, explore all of that through here. And that's the VLC app. So if you found it insightful and you've known how to install VLC on Chromecast, smash the subscribe button. If content was useful, like the video. Let me know your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.